Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be working with 80 inches in length, and then I went on ahead to hem the edges of this long Aso Oke fabric. So what we're going to be doing next is to be forming our gathers with our needle and thread. I'm sorry you're not able to see it properly, but you get what I mean. So you're forming your gathers in the middle. So let's say we'll be giving it about 2 to 3 inches apart from each gathers you're forming. So this is me forming the gathers. Okay. Now I'm done forming the gathers. The next thing I'm going to do is to drag my needle and thread, drag it to this extent. And next thing I'm going to do is to measure it out with the Alice band I'll be working with. So I'm just trying to arrange it a little bit. Now I'm measuring it out with the Alice band that I have to know where I want my ruffle to start from and where it's going to end. And after doing that, you're going to secure this particular gathers you formed. Secure it tightly with your needle and thread. Make sure it's tightly secured because this particular headband is going to be dependent on the ruffle you form. If it loses along the way, you wouldn't like the outcome. So right now I'm done forming the ruffles. What I'm doing is to twist it. So if you watch very carefully, what I'm doing is to twist each gathers I formed one by one. Each one is being twisted at least once. Each one is being twisted at least once. Once you're done twisting the first gathers, you twist the second one. Just like that. That's exactly what I did. And once you're done twisting it, you're going to be arranging it, making it come out well. Just twist it and arrange it very well. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is to be gluing down the ruffle to the Alice band that we've already covered. I have a video where on how I cover my Alice band. Maybe you should go check it out if you don't know how to cover your Alice band with fabric or any kind of ashoke you're using. So what I'm going to do is to add a generous amount of hot glue on top of the Alice band, not on the ruffle, on the Alice band. So we're going to be doing it in sections. Let's say we want to glue the middle part first. So you put your hot glue there first of all, and then give it a press hold and allow it to stick for a while. And then you now move to the next area where you want to glue down and just be repeating it. Try not to add all your glue at once, just do it section by section. So this is me doing the second section of hot glue. I've just put it in and I'm gluing it down. So watch and you will understand. If you've gotten to this point of this video and you're not yet a subscriber, I would like you to tap on the red button and subscribe, then you join the family. A family where you learn a whole lot about DIYs, about Ashoke, about Ashokenator, fascinators, name it, especially when you want to work or make any kind of design with Ashoke. So just join the family and you're welcome. And I also want to plead with you guys, try and like my videos and spend more time watching them. Try not to skip any part of this video so you don't come to the comment section and ask questions that has already been answered in the video. And I love you guys. I love what you guys are doing. I'm almost at 1000 subscribers. Thank you guys. It's the love you guys have for me. That is why I'm here. I appreciate. Thank you so much. Alright, so guys, so once you're done gluing down your ruffle to your headband, all you need to do is just to arrange the ruffles properly the way you want it. And here you have your Ashoke ruffled headband. See you guys in my next video. Bye.